Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Lily English. I'm Lily, and today we're going to talk about something we all need, confidence when introducing ourselves in English.
That's right, because no matter where you are, a party, a new job, or just meeting someone online, the first thing we say is, "Hi, my name is."
Exactly. And yet many learners freeze at that simple moment. Their heart beats fast, their brain goes blank. I've seen that so many times. You've practiced for hours, but when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," your words disappear.
Yes, it's not about grammar or vocabulary, it's about fear, the fear of sounding wrong or being judged.
But today, we'll help you break that fear. We'll make introducing yourself feel easy, fun, and natural. Stay with us till the end. And hey, if you want more lessons like this, don't forget to subscribe and comment below your favorite self-introduction line.
All right, Lily, let's start with this scene. Imagine you walk into a new office on your first day. People are smiling, shaking hands, saying, "Nice to meet you." Your palms are sweating a little. You take a deep breath, and then someone says, "Hey, could you introduce yourself?" That's the moment. What do you say?
Most people go, my name is, I'm from, and stop there. But what if you could make that sound confident and natural? Here's a basic structure you can always use. Name, country or city, job or study, and one small detail.
Yes, just 4 parts. For example, "Hi, I'm Jason. I'm from Toronto. I work in design, and I love coffee." That's clear, friendly, and complete.
Now, let's make it real. Maybe for a student. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from London. I'm studying marketing, and I love photography. See? Simple rhythm. And here's a trick. Smile when you speak. Your voice instantly sounds warmer and more confident.
That's true. Confidence isn't just in words, it's in energy. People feel your mood before they even understand your grammar.
Let's talk about tone. Many learners speak too quietly. Try to raise your voice just a little, like you're talking to a friend across the table.
Yes, friendly, open, relaxed.
Mini practice. Everyone watching, repeat after me. Hi, I'm... Your name? I'm from... Your country. I'm a... Your job or student. Now add one more detail, maybe your hobby or something you like. And I love your interest. Perfect.
Now add a question at the end. That makes conversation natural. Example, "Hi, I'm Jason. I work in design. What about you?" That invites connection. People love when you show interest. It's easy to remember.
I like that. Let's do one more example. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from London. I teach English and I love meeting new students. What do you do? Natural, friendly, open. You don't need big words, just rhythm and confidence.
Speaking of confidence, remember our student Crystal? She used to be so shy.
Oh, yes. Crystal couldn't even say her name without shaking. But after 2 weeks of practice, she started introducing herself in every class. She said something beautiful. When I speak with fear, people see fear. When I speak with joy, people see joy. That's exactly it. Confidence grows when you focus on sharing, not performing. You're not being tested, you're connecting.
Let's add some variation phrases. You don't always have to say, "Hi, my name is." You can say, "I'm called," or "People usually call me."
Or let me introduce myself. That's polite and great for formal situations. Example, let me introduce myself. I'm Lily and I'm an English teacher.
And for casual chats, "Hey, I'm Jason. Nice to meet you." Notice the tone difference. Formal versus friendly. Depends on where you are, job interview, cafe, classroom, or airport.
Exactly. Context decides your words, but confidence decides your impact.
Let's talk about pronunciation. Many learners forget to stress their name. Say it clearly. Your name is your identity. It deserves a pause. Hi, I'm Jason. Short pause, small smile. Don't rush. Slowing down makes you sound more confident.
Role play. You meet me for the first time at a travel event.
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm from Toronto. I'm here to learn about culture and maybe eat some great food.
Hi, I'm Lily. I teach English and travel around Asia. What brings you here?
That's good. Simple, friendly, memorable.
Challenge for viewers. Think of one line that shows your personality. Example, I'm a quiet person, but I love meeting new friends. Or I'm curious about everything. Your self-introduction should sound like you, not like a textbook. Mistakes are okay. Even if grammar isn't perfect, confidence carries the message. Done is better than perfect. Speak, smile, and the rest will follow.
We'll learn more creative introductions in a minute, like how to sound confident in interviews or online meetings. Can't wait for that part. Should we continue?
Yes, let's dive into the next section. All right, let's move to the next level. How to introduce yourself in different real-life situations. Let's start with a job interview.
Good idea. Interviews can feel scary, but the secret is structure. Keep it short, honest, and positive. Something like, "Good morning. My name is Jason. I'm a designer with 5 years of experience. I'm passionate about creating things that make people happy." That's clear, warm, and professional.
Notice the balance. Professional, but still personal. You don't want to sound like a robot listing your resume. Smile a little while speaking. It makes a huge difference.
Exactly. And for online meetings, you can keep it casual. "Hi, everyone. I'm Lily. I'm based in London and I teach English. Nice to be here today." Simple, confident, and friendly.
Even when talking to a camera, smile. People can hear your smile in your voice. Energy travels through tone. A simple hello becomes powerful when you sound excited to be there.
Let's switch to another situation, making friends while traveling. You meet someone at a cafe and they ask, "Where are you from?" You could say, "I'm from Japan. It's my first time in Thailand, and I'm really enjoying the food here." See, you're not just answering, you're opening the door for conversation.
Exactly. You give them something to react to. Maybe they'll say, "Oh, I love Thai food too." And suddenly, you're talking like friends. That's communication. Not memorizing, but connecting. And that's what English is for. Connection, not perfection.
Quick mini practice. Think of your own version. Name, country, something about now. Repeat after us. Hi, I'm blank. I'm from blank. I'm visiting blank. I really enjoy blank. Nice! You're learning to sound natural already.
Let's add another layer, talking about your personality. Many learners feel lost here, but it's simple. Use adjectives like friendly, curious, hardworking. For example, I'm a curious person. I love learning new things. Or I'm friendly and I enjoy helping people. These phrases are not just words, they show who you are.
You can combine them with hobbies. I'm friendly and I love playing guitar. That sounds real, like something you'd say in everyday life. You can even add a small joke. I'm curious and I love coffee, maybe a little too much.
Ha ha! Yes, a little humor makes it memorable. All right, let's invite Charlotte for a quick vocabulary spotlight.
Welcome, Charlotte.
Hi, everyone. Today's spotlight words are confident, outgoing, and introverted.
Confident means you believe in yourself. Synonym, self-assured. Example, I feel confident when I speak English. Outgoing means friendly and easy to talk to. Synonym, sociable. Example, Lily is very outgoing. She makes friends everywhere. Introverted means you enjoy quiet time alone. Synonym, reserved. Example, Jason is a bit introverted, but he loves deep conversations.
Those words are great for describing yourself naturally. Now, let's talk about a common fear: forgetting words.
Many learners freeze mid-sentence, but silence is okay. Just smile, breathe, and continue. You can say, "Sorry, I forgot the word," or how do you say? That's communication too. Native speakers do it all the time. Confidence isn't about knowing everything. It's about staying calm when you don't.
That's a good reminder. And what helps? Practice introducing yourself every day, even when you're alone. Talk to a mirror, your pet, or even your coffee cup. Comfort matters more than perfection.
I talk to my coffee every morning. It never corrects my grammar. That's why your English sounds confident.
All right, before we close, let's give one final mini practice. Everyone watching, say it out loud. I'm blank. I'm from blank. I'm visiting blank. I really enjoy blank. Beautiful.
Now add emotion. Say it with a smile, warmth, and belief. That's the secret. English isn't just words, it's energy. The more emotion you put in, the more people connect with you. So don't be afraid to shine.
Even if your accent is strong, it's part of your story.
Yes, your accent shows bravery. It means you're speaking a new language.
Let's close with a thought. Confidence doesn't come first. Action does. Speak first, and confidence will follow.
Motivation comes after action. Every time you speak, you grow stronger. Keep introducing yourself in every class, in every meeting, in every new day. Every hello brings you closer to fluency.
And if you remember just one phrase today, done is better than perfect.
Thank you for joining us on MS Lily English. We're proud of you for speaking bravely today. Subscribe, leave a comment, and share your favorite self-introduction line below. We'd love to read it.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking with confidence. See you soon, friends. You're doing amazing. Bye for now.